Now we start exercise 7.1. Main question number 1. Find the distance between points. Here 3 points are given. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Question number 2. Minus 5, 7. Minus 1, 3. Question number 3. A, B, minus A and minus B. Now we start the question number 1, solution number 1. A 2, 3, B 4, 1 are given points. A 2, 3 equal to x1, y1, B 4, 1 equal to x2, y2. We know the formula, distance formula. Distance between AB equal to AB equal to, we know the formula, square root of difference of x coordinate x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. What is x1? Here x1 is 3. First is first. 2. 2 minus 4 whole square plus. What is y1? 3. y2 1. 3 minus 1 whole square. Any doubt? No. 2 minus 4 whole square minus 2 whole square. 3 minus 1 2 whole square. 2 whole square equal to square root of 2 square 4 plus 4 equal to 8 equal to 4 multiply 2 square root of 4 equal to 2. Square root का square root निकलता नहीं है. Therefore AB equal to 2 root 2. Distance between 2 points is 2 root 2. Now we start question number 2. Point A minus 5, 7. Point B minus 1, 3. We put here x1, y1 equal to x2, y2, right? x1 equal to minus 5. y1 equal to 3, x2 equal to minus 1, y2 equal to y1 equal to 7, y2 equal to 3. We know the formula, distance between AB equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. What is x1? So minus 5 minus in bracket minus 1 whole square, because x2 equal to minus 1 is a minus 1 whole square. y1 7 minus 3 whole square equal to square root of minus 5 plus 1 whole square, 7 minus 3 for whole square equal to square root of minus 4 square plus 4 square minus 4 square, the plus 16, 4 square 16, 16 into 16, 32 means 16 multiply 2, square root of 16 equal to 4, square root of 2, 2. Therefore distance between AB 2 point is 4 root 2. This is answer number 2. Now we start the answer, question number 3. Here point A comma B, point B minus A minus B. We can write x1, y1, x2, y2. Therefore x1 equal to A, x2 equal to minus a, y1 equal to b, y2 equal to minus b. We know the distance formula. What is distance formula? AB equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. What is x1? A. What is x2? Minus a whole square. y1 b minus into minus b the whole square equal to square root of a minus into minus plus a whole square plus b minus into minus plus b whole square equal to square root of a plus a 2a whole square b plus b 2b whole square 2 square equal to 4a square 2 square 4b square. Now taking 4 is common, in bracket a square plus a b square root of 4 2 into square root of a square plus b square. Most of student here take a mistake. यहाँ स्क्वायर रूट हटा के ओनली ए प्लस बी लिखते हैं, पर इट इज़ को अगर रॉन्ग है, अगर होल स्क्वायर होता है तो रूट निकल जाता, या इंडिविजुअल स्क्वायर है ले रूट निकलेगा नहीं. थैंक यू.